I'm not trying to get copyright. Hey, good morning, you guys. It is Tykina Beauty. I'm here with another video. I am getting ready for today. Today is day 1 of OTAKON, Friday, July 26, 2019. Gang, gang. My first cosplay, but I'm so sad. I'm gonna go to this one late. I have work. I work a corporate 9 to 5, unfortunately, Monday through Friday. Don't look it up. I'm gonna do my contacts. That was a whole lie. I didn't even start on my contacts. I did like one. I have an issue with like multitasking or ADHD, but I don't want to label as that. But anyways, we're getting into this video. So I saw a lot of girls via Instagram doing Halloween Playboy bunny. So why not bring out this Bulma bunny? Same thing. Whoo! This costume. I bought it on Amazon. It was ratchet as hell. Excuse my language. This was not small girl titty friendly. I don't know. It had Mickey Mouse ears to the max, and yeah, I had to throw this one out, and I had to buy a bodysuit at like a local store at the mall. I will say though that the bunny ears, the collar, and the cuff links were good quality for what I paid for. I paid under $20, which wasn't bad. You're just better off buying something off Amazon that just comes with accessories. Now time for the makeup. Gonna go and be an extra with my eye patches. I got these from Marshall's. What's new? Y'all know I live there. I'm starting off with Drunken Elephant. Love this moisturizer. I'm almost done with it. I need a new one. I'm gonna be sad when this is out because Drunken Elephant is expensive. Ooh, then I'm going in with my chapstick. I love that. I'm going in with a regular mascara to start with my brows. I'm pretty sure I couldn't find my e.l.f. brow gel. This is annoying. I do this a lot, you guys, but luckily, I find alternatives for other things I can use. You can use mascara to brush your brows. It actually works. Then I'm going in with this trash ass eyebrow pencil. Excuse me, but I do not like it. I like NYX, just not their eyebrow products at all. This color, I think, is their darkest color, and I am dark haired, very dark haired, and in the sunlight, this shows up as brown, which is really weird. Ironically, I'm using the NYX mascara as well. I don't like it either. I think that's why I use it as a alternative to brush my brows. When I don't like a mascara, I will use it as a brow brush. Although I don't like these products in general, this brow is turning out really good, surprisingly. I am going to work, so I'm going to be drastic and use powder. So I'm going in with my Lorac Pro. I love the Lorac Pro. If you're a beginner with makeup, you should definitely purchase this. I think it's a good investment. I'm going in with their dark color. I believe it's called Chocolate, just to set my brows because I have a weird thing where I like to touch my face and I will mess my brows up. Now, a good trick if you do mess up your brows, you can just go in with a moisturizer to clean it up, or you can even use oil. Oil gets messy, so I just like to use a moisturizer to clean it up. Now we're going in with concealer. Y'all know I love concealer. This is Black Radiance Beauty. This is a color corrector concealer in yellow, the shade yellow. I think it fits perfectly. I like to conceal underneath and on top of my brows because it makes it look clean. It looks like I got my eyebrows done. I do not get them done. Then lastly, I'm gonna set it all off and use a brow gel, but this one's a colored one. Then we're going in with the eye cream before I do anything. Y'all, for some odd reason, I wanted to play with my daith piercing. I was excited because I finally learned how to take it out without going to the piercing parlor to pay $5 to get it taken out. So yay, go me. Now we're taking out the eye patches. I kind of don't see a point in using them, but I just wanted to be extra. Then we're going back in with that color corrector. Y'all, I know how to wink. This is what's up. Yes. I feel lit. We're going to take that color in that Wet n Wild palette just to be our neutral color. I don't want to do too much because, again, this is Bulma. She doesn't wear too much makeup, but I do want to kind of define around it. I am mixing Mauve and Top from the Lorac Pro palette just around to do like a little cut crease. Then I'm going in with this pretty color. It's like a red. It's called Garnet, but it's really nice on the eye. It actually like buffs out to be neutral. So that's kind of what I wanted. I really like my bootleg cut creases or halos, whatever you want to call it. I'm not a professional with makeup, but I do like that style, so I tend to just stay with that. Next, we're going to go in with the NYX Jumbo White eyeliner pencil. I generally don't tend to use eyeliner because I have big eyes and they water up, so it just washes away the eyeliner. Next is Clinique, the mascara. Y'all, my eyelashes are bald-headed. They're not bald-headed now. I think I've grown them out, but oh, this is so embarrassing. But in order for me to like put eyelashes on, I'm gonna have to put mascara on. Next is that we're gonna put powder on first before we put any foundation or concealer on. Y'all, Ty takes a tumble. I stay doing this. We're gonna try this on. That's the bow. I like the way it fit, and I like that it was adjustable. It stayed on the whole night. Next, we're gonna put on some highlight. That was a lie. We're gonna do eye cream. So I went in with the Organics eye cream. Then we're going to Laura Mercier primer. I love Laura Mercier. I'm so sad I lost that. And I lost my Marc Jacobs concealer. This is an amazing concealer. I use it as a foundation too. I'm really sad I lost that. I'm going to purchase it again. I will. But first we're going to conceal after we put our powder on, our LA Girl powder. I noticed I dab a lot in this video. It's actually hilarious to me, but I have a tendency to not, I guess, buff out. So yeah, it's needed. Then we're going to go back in and just lightly put some more emphasis on that. And I'm trying to buff this out right now. I don't think I have the right blending brush, but that does look really good. Like really, really good. I had to get that shot. So I'm going to take a bigger brush to just buff it out. Then we're going to go in concealer just to make that line straight. So it kind of looks like a little wing, if that makes sense. And it looks good. I'm excited, you guys. This was a good day. I got a lot of action from this. Next is my little CC powder, my universal powder. This was gifted to me. I am broke, y'all, so don't get it twisted. If I could buy Chanel, I would. Then I'm going back in with another concealer. I actually use it as a foundation because it's kind of like my color. So I'm going to just use it around because I ran out of all my Fenty foundation. I refuse to buy a foundation until I find one I actually like. Right now I am using one, but I don't know how I feel about it. Then we're going in for powder for the under eyes. I'm kind of on the fence about putting powder under your eyes because of creasing. Now we're going in with Pat McGrath, the highlighting palette. This was expensive. I didn't do too much with the highlight because, again, it's a cartoon character and, well, it's an anime character, excuse me, and Bulma really doesn't have much highlight to her. But I made sure I put on some blush. I use eyeshadows as blushes. You can do that, you guys. You can use eyeshadows for anything. It's universal as whatever. Then I'm going in with the Smashbox. It's like a contour highlight palette. And then we going in with this wig. This wig was surprisingly thick. Got it from Amazon. I was pretty stoked about it. I was very specific on the color It has adjustable straps, which is good. I have a small head, but I have a lot of hair, and like those straps are needed. So it's small head friendly, you guys. Then as you can see, I have edge glue on my wig glue on my edges. I will never do that again. If you saw my Sailor Mars cosplay, last minute cosplay, then you'll understand why now why I had glue in my baby hairs. Then we're going in with this bootleg bunny ears. I really didn't mind it. It did flop around. So I did have to get bobby pins to lay them flat because, yeah, because of that. Then I had to go in and pop these bangs. This is definitely, alternative. I think I had just have a small ass head, so I just think it was necessary, and I just wanted to see throughout the day. I didn't want the blind leading the blind. I'm already blind, so I did that. Now here I am going in with the bobby pins. I think I used about 2 or 3 bobby pins. Now you're gonna see this off me because again I'm going to work, and I did wear the wig to work with no shame to my corporate job. Yes, I did. But I didn't wear the bunny ears. So here I'm just chopping off what I feel like is necessary. I still want the bangs there. I did use a Bulma picture for reference, and I think it turned out great. I like the wig. I still have it. Then I'm going in with some Instagram eyelashes that I will never buy because I feel like I paid for overpriced lashes, but I'm gonna still use them. And what about it? I'm kidding. Then I'm going in with that organic lipstick I talked about previously in my video. While I wait for my eyelash glue to dry, not dry, but be tacky, then I go in with the lashes. I wanted to show this on camera because I always think it's always helpful to, show you guys how I put my lashes on. I'm really liking this look. It's very simple, but very eye-catching. I love the eye look. It looks really, really good. I was pretty scared, you guys, because I thought it was similar to the Sailor Mars look, but it actually isn't. But there we have it. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching.